The project I'm doing is I'm repainting the bike.
On5.com.
So this is the grey I'm moving to here. I'm not sure how well the camera can pick it up given it's dark, but that's the grey, and that's the front mudguard, which is done. I do apologise that I've already gone ahead and prepared these panels without showing you how I've done it. But
Woman in 240 years accepting nomination from a major party to run for president.
that was the paint job that I did after the crash. I'll just remove the decals off here and started sanding it back, so it's going to be ready for primer and paint. You can see here I've already fixed one small dent, and there's another one right here which you can't see yet anyway. So what I'm going to do is use my angle grinder with a sanding wheel, and you'll be able to see very shortly where that second dent is. So let's get into it. Right, so with a small bit of sanding you can see the red paint which is left is the dent because it's lower than the rest of the tank. So I'm going to take this down to bare metal now and apply some filler. Right, so that's the sanding done. It's quite a rough grind in here, so I'm actually going to leave that because it gives the what we call in New Zealand bog or filler. It gives the bog something to adhere to with that rough surface. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my filler, and then I'm going to apply it, let it dry and sand it to shape. Right, all you need to do bodywork or filling jobs is some body filler, which comes with a tube of hardening agent. We're going to need our filler, something to mix on, something to mix with, sort of a white colour. This isn't hard at all. It's very pliable. This is a browny red hardener, and the more you add, the faster it will harden. So I've added my hardener here. Now what I'm going to do is work it until this comes up to a pink colour. Okay. Another thing I'd recommend, guys, if you're going to be doing a job like repainting your bike and you're going to be doing a lot of sanding, which produces a lot of fine dust, it probably wouldn't hurt to cover your bike if you're really pedantic about it. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is use quite a rough rasp to take this down while it's still soft. It's just easier to remove than sitting there with sandpaper. If you haven't done bodywork before, I would recommend that you just sand, and it will save you taking off too much. So now that I've removed the bulk of the overfill, I'm going to move from this to some rough sandpaper. So this is P80. We're going to move from P80 to P120. Now I'm going to go from P120 to P240. When I painted this last time, I didn't take off the feature decal, and there it is there. Hopefully I can get it off without sanding it.